Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Chulani Promotional Products. Hi, I'm Joe Haley. You're watching The Joe Show. Check out today's first product. This little token on it says, buy one, get one free, and it's got a cupcake. So imagine that a bakery can give this out to its clients. You buy a dozen cupcakes, they give you this. When you come back, you buy one, you get one. It's a loyalty program because you want those people back in your stores. So this summer, think about that. People are on vacation in resort towns and vacation towns. There's boardwalks, there's ice cream stands, okay? There's water ice stands, there's hot dog stands. You want them to come back a second time during that week. Give them a token, okay? Buy one, get one. Put whatever food is on their hot dog, give it to them, and they're going to redeem that. If they don't redeem it, they take it home. Especially younger kids, they might keep it as a souvenir, a token of their vacation. I'm going to show you 3 different sizes of soap here. This soap is pretty cool. It's made of biodegradable materials. It's all natural. The wrapping is made of 70% recycled paper, so it's an eco-friendly product. Comes in a variety of different sizes. You can see we've got great graphics on the front. Natural for inns. It's a natural for hotels, of course, but there's other people that would use soap to be a great promotional product. I worked for a landscaper, and when you're laying mulch and you're planting, you get dirty, but you have to stop and eat lunch. You need to wash the hands. There's always a hose nearby, but do you have soap? So if you deal with landscapers and they buy your products, this would be a great product to give them. This is unscented oatmeal soap right here, and it's going to get great lather. It's going to clean really well. So think of guys at construction sites. Think of guys that are working in garage. Any job where people get their hands dirty, this is a great little item to have. Plus, you put it in a fishing kit. When you're fishing, you want to make sure you wash up. You know, it can go in an emergency kit because you want to make sure you have access to cleanliness, and the soap would be a great idea. I'm going to show you something here. There's 2 of them, okay? This is actually a laptop stand, and it works pretty simply. On the back here, we peel the strip off, and we stick this to the bottom of the laptop. And then when we want a little bit of a level there, a little angle, we're going to create the stand, and we can use our laptop, and when we're done, we just close it back up. We don't have to store them anywhere because they're already on the bottom of the laptop. Makes a great gift with purchases. If you sell digital products, you can actually use this on a tablet too if you wanted to, but it's going to be great advertising. It's going to serve a purpose, and it's going to solve a problem for laptop users. Like this next product, this is a presentation folder, different than some of the cardboard folders. What I like about this, it lies completely flat, and you've got this great debossed logo in here. We've got some stitching detail on the around the edges. We've got 2 little slots in the front where you put our business cards, so you can put any type of information we want in there. Think of that when you go on business calls and you have meetings with clients. You want to make a nice presentation with your presentation. Well, a nice folder is really going to start it all off. Everyone gets one. This is pretty solid too. Everyone gets one of these, and you can put all the important information on there. Great for schools as well, colleges and universities. All right, now we have some products from today's Joe Show, sponsored Chulani. Start off with the first board. We have our baseballs here. I caught on my microphone there. Okay, we got our baseballs here. It is baseball season. Little League's playing. They're getting towards the end of their season, getting to playoff time. These balls are great. Clubs can buy them. Teams can sign them, give them to coaches. You sign up for another tournament, and you get a trophy at the end. Why not give a baseball? It could be the baseball. It could be to incent people to sign up for the tournament. Same process with the softball as well. These are all official size and weight, so they can be played with. The other thing I want to show you, and we think of summertime, we think of beach balls, and we've got a variety of different beach ball colors here. This one's a multi-color. Beach balls are great for those graduations. I know the schools don't want high school students or college students to bat around the beach balls at the end of graduation, but they do it, okay? So that's great for that as well. Just don't get caught. Don't tell them Joe Haley from the Joe Show told you to do it. This is a green and white one right over Kyle's head. And then finally, this is really every panel's different one. So think of also beach promotions, pool promotions. If you have a beach party for a summer picnic, a beach party theme, you need beach balls. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.